हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एस बी सॉल्यूशंस। आज आप लोग को सर्कल चैप्टर्स के एक्सरसाइज 11B के क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का बारे डिस्कशन किया जाएगा। चलिए हम लोग क्वेश्चन 12 में चलते हैं और क्वेश्चन पढ़कर हम सुनाते हैं। इन द गिवन फिगर O is the center of a circle in which angle OAB that is equal to 20 डिग्री। साइड में आप लोग का डायग्राम ये दिखाई पड़ रहा है। ये डायग्राम जो है सर्कल का है जिसका O सेंटर है एंड एंगल O C B दिस एंगल इक्वल टू 55 डिग्री ये क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है एंड एंगल OAB दिस द क्वेश्चन। Find angle BOC, this angle we have to find out, and angle AOC, this angle we have to find out. These two angles you have to find out. Step 1, angle OAB, just observe the triangle OAB. This triangle is an isosceles triangle because these two sides are equal. OA and OB both are equal radii of the circle. That is why this triangle is isosceles triangle. So base angle must be equal. That means angle OAB this equal to angle OBA. These two angles. This is also 20 degree. So angle OCB in this triangle OCB in this triangle, OB and BC, these two sides are equal because both are the radii of the circle. That is why the base angle must be equal. That means angle OCB that equal to angle OBC. These two angles are equal. Now, and both are equal to 55 degree. This angle is 55 degree. Naturally, this total angle must be equal to 55 degree. Now angle BOC, this angle plus angle OCB, this angle plus angle OBC. In this triangle, the sum of the three angles that is equal to 180 degree. Now, angle BOC, the same, plus angle OCB, this is equal to 55 degree and this also answer 55 degree. That equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BOC that is equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, that is 110 degree, equal to 70 degree. That means angle BOC, value of this angle is equal to 70 degree. Step 2, angle ABC, this angle ABC, that equal to angle ABC, this angle equal to angle OBC, this total angle minus angle OBA. That means angle OBC from this angle, if we subtract the value of angle OBA, then we will get the value of angle ABC. That means angle ABC is equal to the value of angle OBC, that is equal to 55 degree. Already we have calculated. So now 55 minus 20 degree, that is equal to 35 degree. That means angle ABC, this angle equal to 35 degree. Now angle AOC, this angle we have to calculate. Now just observe that the minor arc AC, this minor arc makes an angle AOC at the center of the circle, and the same minor arc makes an angle ABC on the circle at the point B. That is why the value of the angle AOC, that is equal to 2 times the value of the angle ABC. That is why 2 into angle ABC, already we have calculated angle ABC, that is equal to 35 degrees. So 2 multiplied by 35 degrees, that is equal to 70 degrees. That is why the angle AOC, this is equal to 70 degree. That is the answer. 14. In the given figure, PQ is the diameter of a circle with center O. You just see this diagram is a circle, and PQ is the dia of the circle, where O is the center of the circle. If angle PQR equal to 65, angle SPR degree, it is given in the question, and angle PQM this is equal to 50 degree, it is given in the question. Find angle QPR, that is QPR, this angle we have to calculate. Angle QPM, this angle we have to calculate, and angle PRS, this angle we have to calculate. These three, the value of these three angles you have to calculate. Now, step 1, PQRS, this is a cyclic quadrilateral because the 4 vertex are on the circle. That is why it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle PQR, this angle, plus angle PSR, this angle must be equal to 180 degree, because in the cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angles that equal to 180 degree. That is why the value of these two angles equal to 180. Or angle 65 degree plus angle PSR, this angle equal to 180. Now angle PSR, this is equal to 180 minus 65. So that equal to 115 degree. The value of this angle equal to 115 degree. Angle PSR, this angle plus angle PRS, this angle plus angle SPR, this angle. That means in the triangle PRS, in this triangle the sum of the three angles equal to 180. So PSR equal to 115 degree. PSR, that is equal to this angle is equal to 115 degree, already you have calculated. And PRS, this angle, the same, plus angle SPR, this is 40 degree. It is given in the question, and the sum of these three angles equals to 180. So now, therefore, the angle PRS, this angle equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles. So that equal to 25 degree. That means angle PRS, this the value of this angle equal to 25 degree. Again, angle QPM, this angle, plus angle RQM, this total angle, that is equal to 1 and 180 degree. QPM, this angle, plus this angle equal to 180 degree. Or angle QPM, this angle equal to The value of these two angles equal to how much? 65 plus 50. And this equal to 180 degree. So now angle QPM, this angle equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles. That is equal to 180 degree minus sum of these two angles equal to 115 degree. That is equal to 65 degree. That means angle QPM, this the value of this angle equal to 65 degree. Next, angle PRQ, this angle. PRQ is equal to 90 degree because this angle is formed by the dia of the circle in the semicircle. That is why the value of this angle is 90 degree. So therefore angle QPR, this angle plus PRS plus this angle plus RQP, this angle, sum of this angle, this is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle QPR, this equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles, 90 plus 65. It is 90, it is 65. So that is equal to 25 degree. The value of the angle QPR, this is equal to how much? 25 degree. This is the answer. Thank you for watching our video. अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगा, please subscribe it.